In this video, you are going to see how to make carved text in Google Slides. Let's get started. In Google Slides, there is no direct way to make the carved text. You have to make a single text and you have to put it like this, and that is a very complex process. So we can apply our trick. Let us go to Google and let us write carved text, and you will find our website over here, InkPX. I will give the link in the video description. Let us click on this website. And here you will find various type carve. Let me choose this one. Let me choose the close, and here I have to write the text. Let me remove this text and write your desired text over here. Now you can change the font from here very easy. Let me choose this font. You can increase or decrease the size of the text over here. Even you can change the fill color. Let us choose this color. If you want to add some shadow, you can increase or decrease the shadow effect. From here you can use the blur and angle. If you want to uncheck it, just uncheck it from here, then the shadow will be removed. If you want to make it more bigger, you can increase it from here. Now let us go down and choose this option, download. Click on download, then it will be downloaded. Go your Google slide, go to insert, go to image, go to upload from computer and choose the picture, and you can put it anywhere. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.